going out with the group. We're going to do Poison Spider while we're out here. So, never wheeled any of these trails. Did Chicken Corners the other day. Well, I'm sure there'll be some good footage. Same group we've had at Chicken Corners and Long Canyon. So, should be a fun trail. Right out of the parking lot, you end up going up the switchbacks of Poison Spider. That leads right to your first obstacle. It's a good one to get you warmed up on because there's plenty more obstacles on this trail. So follow along as we show you several different ways to do them. A lot of these trails, because of that rock, you couldn't do them anywhere else but Moab. It's a little surprising at first.
I keep it a little driver.
Some of these obstacles are just a good reason to stretch the Jeep out a little bit. But if you don't like
easy.
the tippy thing, there's alternate routes or bypasses on most of these trails.
Down.
You'll see a lot of those here as well.
You're good.
But it's a lot of fun.
Take it down
when
nice
you're
and
out
slow.
there. Your tire was in your bumper.
There you go. Keep it, driver. Just go easy. There you go. Easy coming down. Beautiful.
Easy peasy.
Hard driver and just ease it down.
I wish she could drive mine. She can drive stick, she just doesn't want to drive stick on the obstacles.
If you don't like it, just give it gas and you're good. Yeah, you're good. If I say stop, get ready to throw the reverse. Ease it up.
This obstacle got pretty vertical, but like most of them, there's 3 lines, and oh, by the way, there's no lockers in the LJ.
All about the lockers.
It's an inside joke. Golden Spike's a 13.5 mile out and back trail with a couple connectors where you can use Golden Spike, Gold Bar Rim, get that trifecta going. Easily make this a full day of wheeling. We started around 2. By the time we got to Golden Spike, it was starting to get dark. I think at Moab you'll find real quick a little change in your line will make all the difference in the world out here.
Wendy was here. Keep going. You got plenty of room.
little kiss.
Oh, darkness, blocking it.
There's a couple V notches on this trail, really not too bad. And if you don't want to do them, there's a bypass for those as well. But they're a lot of fun.
Back, Michael, hold on now. Go easy.
I got the pulse.
Yeah, oh yeah.
No.
Keep it straight. We're good. Keep it straight.
Love the way that 392 sounds. It walked right up this V notch. You can either go up the V notch or take the other route up and over. It's always interesting when you do a trail at night. When we came back through there, all these trails look entirely different at night.
Driver. Driver. There you go. Keep turning through. Yeah, that's it. Keep it that way.
That was beautiful.
We were all out here from the Jeep Talk Show. It was an amazing day of wheeling on Poison Spider. If you're enjoying this, please share it, and I'll see you here for more of our Utah adventure.